We know that all of us have done an amazing job of looking after our face, neck, and décolleté. If you're one of those individuals that's done everything and has maintained that youthful appearance, but you forgot about your hands, that's the dead giveaway of your age. And if you're a perfectionist and this really matters to you, we're going to talk about hand rejuvenation, why our hands look old, and how we can make them look and match our face. My name is Chantal Ward, and I'm a registered nurse specializing in medical aesthetics. I'm here today to give you all the information you need so that you can make sound decisions for yourself in your anti-aging journey. There's so many reasons. I know for me, being in my industry, I'm constantly washing my hands, using alcohol, stuffing my hands in latex gloves or surgical gloves. And then we add the winter months into it. My hands are always a mess. I've lost volume in my hands. Some people get that bony, you can see the ligaments, you can see the loss of volume. When you look at a young child, a newborn, they have these beautiful, plump little hands that I just want to just kiss to forever. But who wants to kiss these? And all joking aside, some people just naturally have smaller hands, thinner skin. They work with their hands. People who drive a lot, they get pigmentation. People who are golfers, people who garden, if they haven't protected their hands from the elements, such as the sun, the dirt, the pesticides, the detergents, the chemicals, their hands are going to age a lot faster than other areas of their body. So let's kind of break this down and how easy it is to look after the hands. If you have sun damage, and some people call them liver spots, age spots, but all of a sudden you'll wake up and you'll go, oh, I've got some brown spots. It reminds me of my grandmother or my old auntie. We can actually treat those. We can treat those with chemical peel. We can do an IPL, a laser, so an intense pulse light. There are options, okay? Now, if you have a loss of volume, one of my favorite treatments is to do hyper-dilute Radiesse. Hyper-dilute Radiesse can restore the natural volume or collagen and elastin in the hands and make them look more youthful. I would say it will take 10, 15 years off your hands. And there are some dramatic changes that occur with just one visit. Now, the benefit of Radiesse, or that hyper-dilute Radiesse, is that we inject it and it gives you that immediate volumization, but then it starts to work at a cellular level. It's going to start building new collagen, type 1 and type 3, and then you're going to see those hands come back to life, look like 20 years ago, and have more of a natural match to what's going on your face. Really, it's about rebuilding that collagen and elastin. Prevention is going to be key. If you are a constant hand washer, or you're working outside, or you've got a pool in the backyard, or you have a cottage and you're constantly in and out of water, don't forget to reapply that SPF, that broad spectrum light, to the backs of your hands as well as your arms, and reapply during the day. If you drive a lot, if you are a long distance driver, protect the side of your face that's always exposed to the sun as a driver, the left side, but also your hands. Something else that you can do is, if you've got really dry, cracked skin, getting cotton gloves or using shea butter at night, those oils in the shea butter actually hold in the moisture, because we lose a lot of moisture in our hands too, especially if we're washing them a lot. Using topicals, if you're using a vitamin C on your skin, why wouldn't you use a vitamin C serum on the backs of your hands that are a dead giveaway of your age? Topical IPLs we talked about, chemical peels, fillers. We could also do a hyaluronic filler that will give you that volumization, but it's not really going to regenerate. So I always tend to go a little bit more. My first line of attack would be Radiesse for volume loss. I may mix a little bit of hyaluronic acid with that, which is completely off label, but it is still both approved products, and it gives you a little bit more of volumizing. Temporary until such time the collagen stimulation from the calcium hydroxyapatite starts working. Regenerative treatments, don't be afraid to do microneedling with exosomes, especially if you've got a lot of crepey skin, not super thin skin, because as people get older, they lose the collagen, they lose the elastin, they get that paper. We've seen it in elderly people where they've got the blue bruising, they bruise easily. I would not really be aggressive on those types of treatments, but if you've got skin like mine, doing a microneedling with exosomes would be great. There are options. There are so many options that we can do to treat the hands that are looking older than the face. The concept of looking after our skin on our face is really no different than what we should be doing anywhere on our body, and specifically the hands. So protect, moisturize, hydrate, keep it hydrated by drinking water or hyaluronic acid, and treat. So if you've got pigmentation, we can do IPL, we can do chemical peels. At home, maybe when you're doing your retinols at night, every second or third night, add the retinols to your hand, because we know doing that cell turnover and offering retinols is going to help encourage collagen reformation. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I can't wait to see you on the next video.